So students, I'm going to talk about the plasma physics, which is the chapter 4th of electrodynamics and plasma physics. So first question is, what is plasma? So since we know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. So when solid is heated, it changes to liquid, and then when the liquid is heated, it changes to gases, and finally, if the temperatures increase, it change into the plasma. So plasma is considered as the fourth state of matter. For example, when ice is heated, its crystalline bonds are broken and it changes to water. And if more heat is added, the molecular binding breaks first, followed by independent water molecules separating into hydrogen and oxygen. So in the gas, so this is in the gas state. So in order to achieve the plasma, further even more heat has to be added to dissociate the atoms into electrons and ions, positive ions. Since a plasma is made up of ions and electrons, which are charged, so electric fields are rampant everywhere, and particles collide not just when they bump into one another, but even at a distance where they can feel their electric field. So the plasma usually exists in vacuum. Otherwise, air will cool the plasma so that the ions and electrons will recombine into normal neutral atoms. So on Earth, however, our atmosphere limits our experience with plasma to a few examples, like the flash of lightning, the light of a fluorescent tube, or the pixels of a plasma TV. So we live in a small part of the universe where plasma don't occur naturally. Otherwise, So the reason for this can be seen from the Saha equation, which tells us the amount of ionization to be expected in a gas. So here I have written the Saha equation, that is Ni by N is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 21 T upon Ni exponential of minus Ui upon Kt, where Ni and Nn are respectively the density of ionized atoms and Nn is the neutral atom, density of the neutral atom. T is the gas temperature in Kelvin, so it's Kelvin, and capital K is the Boltzmann constant. And Ui is the ionization energy of the gas. Ionization energy of the gas, that is which is defined as the number of joules required to remove the outermost electron from an atom. So for an ordinary air at room temperature, we may take Nn, which is the density of the neutral atom, is 3 into 10 raised to power 25 meter cube. T temperature is 300 Kelvin, and Ui is 14.5, let it be for nitrogen, where 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joules. So the fractional ionization predicted by above equation is obviously very low, which comes out to be Ni by N is equal to around 10 raised to minus 122, which is very small. So as the temperature increase, the degree of ionization remains low until this this ionization energy remains only few times Kt. So the Ni by Nn rises abruptly and the gas is in a plasma state. So further increase of temperature make this neutral Nn less than Ni, and the plasma eventually become fully ionized. This is the reason plasma exists in astronomical bodies astronomical bodies, and so with temperature, where we have temperature of millions of degrees. So the natural occurrence of plasma at high temperature is the reason for the designation of the fourth state of matter. But any ionized gas cannot be called a plasma, of course, because there is always a little ionization in any gas. So there is always small degree of ionization in any gas. So a useful definition, I just write the main definition for it. So a plasma is a I will explain it in the later, quasi-neutral gas of charged and neutral particles which exhibits collective behavior.